Alright, I have it hooked up to my Sencor VC62 signal generator, and we are going to, and I'll put it on the proper channel, and we'll wait. Since it's tube set, I have to wait for the tubes to warm up a bit. And here it comes. Alright, you can hear in there that there is buzz. Now, I've been told that these detectors in this will not able to be totally eliminated, but there's a buzz control on the back, and there's other things that need to be taken care of to, you know, not eliminate, but reduce the amount of buzz. Now, the scrolling you see on your screen, that is a difference in frame rate between standard TV, which is 30 frames per second interlaced, which means the lines are drawn on the screen, odd lines first, then even lines, so 60 frames, and this being high definition, being 60 frame per second progressive scan, meaning all the frames, all the lines are drawn at once, 60 times per second. So, but that's not filter hum. No, because if I turn the volume all the way down, you don't hear the hum and the buzz. If there was filter hum, you would hear that pretty much regardless of the volume setting. There's a couple other things that are with it. It doesn't look too bad. The contrast is a little low. Doesn't fill the whole screen vertically. And the vertical adjustment is almost totally to one side to get it to lock. That shouldn't be. It should be more in the center. You know, there's just a couple little things. And if I change the pattern here to the multi-burst, you can actually see that the performance is not too bad for a black and white set made post 1954. Most post 1954 sets have a less than 3 megahertz bandwidth, meaning here, this is 2.5. This is where most of those sets end, so that they can filter out and not get interference from the color dot pattern. Interference from the color subcarrier. This Zenith, this is 3 megahertz, so it goes out to 3 megahertz. This is 3.5, the color subcarrier. There's nothing past that because they do filter it out at 3.5 megahertz so that they don't get interference from the color, although you can see the dot crawl right there if you look. Might not be showing on there, but trust me, it's there. So all in all, that performance is not bad. And if I switch, those are old style color bars. Yeah, straight dot pattern. And the linearity is a bit off. The focus is off at the corners a bit and such. So there are a few things I need to work on, and that is what we're going to do next. Well, I guess it's not 100% done for the evaluation. Just wanted to point out how this set is constructed. As you can see under here, there's not a lot of, in fact, there's only one paper capacitor right there. All the rest of them are metal film caps, and there's a few electrolytics. Others are in cans that you can't see from this view. and then there's ceramic disc capacitors. These ones are the high voltage ones, 1 kilovolt. They're worth checking just to see if there's any cracks or anything, because sometimes they did do that. But the rest of them seem to be okay. I will spot check things, but definitely the Bumblebee goes. The electrolytics are going to go, and I may even restuff them. But there you go. That's the evaluation on this set. Next, the starting of the repair.